These International School Awards are the awards conferred by British Council to schools. The topic for Class 2 ISA activity is flags of different countries. Flags of 5 countries were taken for the activity: Bangladesh, Canada, England, Germany and India. Now, I invite the representatives of Bangladesh to share some information about their country.
नहीं सब लोग देखो क्या करें आप नो टॉकिंग स्टे इन योर लाइन
Good morning, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, and my dear friends. I am here to represent Bangladesh. It is a country in South Asia. The capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Our national flag consists on a red disc on top of a green field. The red disc stands the sun rising over Bengal and also the blood of those who died our independence. The green field stands the lushness of our land. Our national animal is Royal Bengal tiger, and our national bird is doll, and our national flower is water lily, and our national fruit is jackfruit. Our currency is taka. Now my friend tell you about our culture.
Good morning, friends and all teachers. Today I will speak about Bangladesh. The name Bangladesh means country of Bengal. The capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. It lies to the east of India. Most popular food of Bangladesh is rice and fish. Bengali is the national language of Bangladesh. The national costume of Bangladeshi ladies is sari. The national flag of Bangladesh was adopted officially on 17 January 1972. It consists of a red disc on top of a green field. The red discs represent the sun rising over Bengal, and the green field stands for the
keep items inside your pocket, please.
Land of Bangladesh. Thank you.
Get ready for National Anthem of Bangladesh.
Stand straight, everyone. Stand straight. Legs down, legs down, legs down, come on.
Now I call upon stage the representatives of Canada to enlighten us about their country.
Good morning. We are here to represent country Canada. Canada is a country in North America consisting of 10 provinces and 3 territories. The capital of Canada is Ottawa. It is a developed country and the wealthiest in the world. The Canadian currency is Canadian dollars. The national flag is known as a maple leaf. The languages used in Canada are English and French. The famous food of Canada is poutine. The national color of Canada is red and white. The national animals are baboon and a Canadian horse. The national anthem of Canada is God Save the Queen. The tourist spots are Niagara Falls, CN Tower and Jasper National Park. The national anthem is O Canada.
Get ready for the national anthem of Canada. Let's now hear from the representatives of England to speak some facts about their country.
After England, we have to go. Wait, it's not your turn. When we go that time, you have to take the time.
Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I am going to present England. England is a large country in Great Britain and the United Kingdom. It is an island country. London is the capital city of England. The flag of England shows a red cross of St. George and a white background shows for peace. England is only 35 kilometers from France. The River Thames is the longest river, which is 346 kilometers in length. And the busiest airport of England is London Heathrow Airport with 53.8 million passengers. And last but not the least, Mr. Tim Berners-Lee, the computer scientist from England, is credited with inventing the www website is World Wide Web. Thank you.
I'll start with the national symbols of England. The national symbols of England represent English culture. The national flower of England is rose, and the flower was adopted between 1455 and 1485 during the time of Wars of Rose. The national fruit of England is apple, well known and eaten since Roman times. The national animal of England is lion. The oak is the national tree representing strength. The national bird of England is European robin. It is the only bird singing and chirping on Christmas Day. Few famous monuments of England are Buckingham Palace, Stonehenge, Wellington Arch, the Cenotaph, Big Ben, and London Bridge. In short, England has a long history and a great wealth of monuments. Thank you.
Now get ready for the national anthem.
Flags down and stand still. Flags down. All movement.
The representatives of Germany to share some information about their country.